Look, to level up as a man is not as complicated as you think it is. A lot of stuff, it's the stuff that you're not even thinking about. For example, start with your footwear. Most of you wear the same sneakers worn out time and time again, and I promise you this, if you were just to upgrade your footwear, buy yourself a more leveled up experience. For example, if you always wear Air Force Ones, look, Air Force Ones are clean, but if that's all you wear, it's almost expected. They're all worn out. What if you were to switch it up, leveled it up with some nice boots, or some leather shoes, or some loafers, some moccasins? All of a sudden, you've leveled up your outfits without trying too much, which instantly increases your status, makes you look better. This takes me to number 2. You have to be hygienic. If you want to look better as a man, you have to keep your level of grooming and hygiene at a top level. Name me this. Think of an attractive guy, anybody. Have you ever seen an attractive guy that looks unhygienic? That just looks musty, looks dirty? You haven't. It's rare. You just don't see them. That's because to be attractive, you have to smell good. You have to look good. You have to look presentable. How you start your days matter. This is why with He Grooming, our shower bundle, I did it strategic so it's simple, right? I want you to not have to spend an hour in the bathroom to look hygienic, to be clean, to smell amazing. Our shower bundle from He Grooming is infused with a high-end fragrance. I brought oils from France. I infused our body wash, our shampoo and conditioner with this stuff. So now, when you shower and you step out of the shower, you're already smelling like $1,000,000. You don't even have to apply a fragrance if you don't want to. So now you're hygienic, you smell great, and you're ready to take on the day. Those are the type of steps as a man you should be taking. Those efficient ones where you get the job done without having to add more time in your morning routine. That way you're in and out and you're looking good every day. This makes sure that you're not breaking the habit. The reason too many of you aren't doing the thing that you need to do, it's because it's harder. You're adding more time. And now you stop doing it because it was too difficult. I want you to start this habit and keep this habit. And matter of fact, if you guys click the link down below and check out our shower bundle, I'm going to give you 30% off that shower bundle. And I'm going to give you 2 free gifts. I'm going to give you our silicone body scrubber and our silicone facial scrubber completely free if you subscribe to the shower bundle. So now you can really keep this habit, because every time you run out, we'll ship you the new set without you even having to worry about it. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, learn how to smile. If you want to be a better looking man, how you smile is everything. You want to show your teeth, and more importantly, you want to make sure those teeth are white. You get those 2 things right, you're going to have that friendly, that warm smile that's inviting for other people, especially other people of the other sex, to come and talk to you. You have to understand, especially the other sex, they already have their guard up, right? When they see a guy, they think danger. But if you look friendlier, more approachable, you have a nice smile that's white, that looks hygienic, you're opening doors. 4, accessorize. If you want to look better as a man, forget about redoing your whole wardrobe. While yes, that could help you, you're also going to spend a couple $100, if not a couple $1,000, having to buy everything new that looks good. The easiest way to level up your wardrobe is with the accessories. Your watch, your necklaces, more importantly, the powerful stuff like your sunglasses. When you start putting on accessories, you keep it strategic, right? Like I've told you before, don't just pile them all on. Pick 1 or 2 for the day, or maybe today it's just the sunglasses and the necklace. Another day it'll be a necklace and a watch. Keep it strategic, add accessories, and watch how quickly you're going to level up your personal style, not only your confidence, but also how you perceive yourself into the world, and overall, make yourself better looking. Number 5, swap the fragrance. I know many of you have been wearing the same fragrance for years. You found one that you liked, your Jean Paul Gaultier, your Bleu de Chanel, your Dior Sauvage. You found one that you liked, and now that's the only one you buy on repeat because you just don't want to find anything else. That gets boring after. It's similar to just wearing the same shoes over and over again. You should try a new fragrance. Try something drastic, something different, something that elicits an emotional response. I'll give you a great example. This is why I love feminine rosy scents, and you see them all across my Santa Lucia collections. I love very dark, strong scents that have tobacco and your alcohol scents, because these fragrances elicit a response. You will either love them or hate them. You will never be in the middle with this like vanilla, they smell good. No, it elicits a strong response where that other person will never get you out of their head, and that's what you ultimately want. Number 6, use skincare products made for your skin. Everyone understands you have to use skincare products. The face wash, the exfoliator, the moisturizer. What you still aren't understanding is that you're not wearing the right skincare products. You have to buy them depending on your skin type. The stuff that I use won't necessarily work on you because my skin type's different than your skin type. What are your problems? Maybe it's oiliness. Maybe your skin is dry. Maybe you have redness or uneven skin tone color, or you have acne. Find your problems. Is it on the texture? What is it that you want to fix? And then find products that deal with that problem. More importantly, you have to find products that deal with that problem and also work for your skin type. So it's almost like this double layer, right? First, what's your skin type? Oily, combination, etc. This you can find by a professional. Go into a Sephora, go into an Ulta. Any of these beauty stores, yeah, it's a girl store, but whatever, just go in. Talk to any of the reps there and ask them, what is my skin type and what product should I use for my skin? They'll tell you immediately, they're trained for this, what your skin type is. Once you know your skin type, that's easy. Then you just go to Google and be like, all right, I need face wash product to deal with acne for my skin type. And then you're gonna start finding products specifically designed for you. And I guarantee you, when you make that switch, your attractiveness will go to the next level, which ultimately rolls me to number 7, lose the body fat. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It is hard to be attractive when you're overweight. When you start carrying excess amounts of weight on your body, all that fat goes into areas you do not want. Clothing becomes difficult to shop because most manufacturers aren't designing clothes for overweight guys. And more importantly, you start carrying it around your face, and now you have this big circular face with no definition, which ultimately detracts from your attractiveness. So the best thing you can do for your attractiveness and your health is step in the gym and control what you put in your mouth.